Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this lesson, I will show you my easy adaptation to guitar for the original Star Wars theme by John Williams. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and the key is B flat. I have a capo placed at fret 3 in order to match the key of the recording. Of course, after you learn it, you can remove the capo and play it in the first position. So without further ado, let's roll the tape. We'll start the song by going to the open G string and playing that was the open G string once, a rest, and then down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Then we'll start into our main melody. Then we'll start into our main melody. Our main melody will be played this way. Here's our main melody. We'll start with the open D string. Play it 3 times. Then the open G. Go to fret 3 on the B string. Fret 1. Open. Fret 2 on the G string. The high E string, fret 3. The B string, fret 3, fret 1, open, fret 2 on the G string, fret 3 on the high E, fret 3 on the B string, back to the B string, 1, open, 1, and then fret 2 on the G string to finish. We'll play that melody twice, and then we'll move to the bridge. And the bridge will sound something like this. We'll also play that twice. We started with the D string, open twice, 2, 2 again, the B string, 1, open, the D string, 2, open, open, 2, open B, back to the G string, 2, the D string, 2, and 4. For the next part of it, the open D string twice, fret 2, fret 2 again, the B string, fret 1, open, the G string 2, G string open, the B string 3, and the G string 2. So that's Next, we'll play a break to get us back to the main melody. It'll go something like this. For that, we went to the D string, played it twice. We're going to go to the high E at fret 3, 1, the 4th fret on the B string, 3, 1, fret 3 on the G string, 2, open, and 3 on the B string. We'll finish with the open D string 3 times, fret 2, the open G string, fret 1 on the B string. So the entire thing is Then we'll repeat what we did at the beginning of the tune. So let's listen to the entire thing. Well, alright my friends, that's my easy adaptation for the Star Wars theme by John Williams on acoustic guitar. You can play this the same exact way on the electric guitar, by the way. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.